Okay, so here we have the Ninebot Mini Pro. We're just going to do a very simple unboxing video. Okay, let's rip it. Okay, so in the box there is a manual and a first ride safety tips card. Okay, let's put that aside. Okay. We have the detachable stem. And the body itself. Okay. You'll also find a box with the extended air tap, decorative blade pin, decorative blade tick, and charger. Okay, so put that aside first. This is the body itself, and you'll find that you need to attach this. It's very simple. It's actually just a clasp, right? So once you've installed the stand and ensured that it's secured, you can actually go ahead and turn on your Ninebot Mini Pro. So you see the lights here, turn it around, and you can actually extend the stand to whichever height you prefer. Best is about your knee level, and secure it in place. And then you go ahead and download the app for your first ride calibration. That's it. Okay, so now that you've downloaded the Ninebot app, just go ahead and open that. For first timers, you will need to register your account, so just go ahead and key in your username. Okay, now that you're done, you should be able to turn on the Bluetooth device on your phone and search for it. So it should appear and connect. You'll hear a beep on your Ninebot Mini Pro. This Mini Pro is not activated. Please follow the activation procedure, otherwise the Mini Pro will stay in speed limiting mode. Okay, so just go ahead and activate it, giving it a name. Okay. Okay, so it says now activation is successful. So once you've keyed in your name, just press submit, and you must review the safe driving guide, or the Mini Pro will remain in speed limiting mode. So sure, go ahead. It will show you some safety tips, so just go ahead and read that. Make sure you read it. See, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Then once you're done, you say thank you for reading, and we'll start our first ride. Okay. So now you need to have your Mini Pro with you, and just follow the instructions.